Going to preview some of the lots that are coming for Thursday's Nooner. We got a lot of patriotic. First one, America, My Country, new anthem. I never heard of that. The new national anthem. So we got this one, all patriotic. It's a really cool one. There's a rip at the bottom though, but it's a really neat one. Flag of World War I. Then we got, these are all July 4th. This is a lot of State Girl, mostly Langdorf. We got Maryland, Michigan, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Massachusetts, Vermont, United States, United States, Maryland, Japan, Maryland, Connecticut, Pennsylvania. There's going to be some repeats. This one, I'm not exactly sure. New Hampshire. Then these ones have silk applique on them. Going to be some repeats, but these have silk applied to the shirts, dress, etc. A few series cards. These are beautiful. This lady with the cherub, gorgeous card. The original owner wanted, I think, $100 for those cards. And then we got these ones here. They're tinted real photos. Lady with a horse. Original dealer wanted $75 for those 6. And then these gold gilt couples, romantic, nice cards. Vintage automobile postcards. Some will have the dealer information on the back, but mostly 60s and probably 70s, maybe into the 80s. There's a car dealership. These are ad cards for different countries that used Singer sewing machines. So they're not postcards, but they're advertising cards for Singer sewing machines and the countries around the world where they were used. And this one is a postcard. Here's a lot of die cuts. So there'll be several in each package. Some nice Santas. Not my prices on these. Some really nice Santas. More Santas. And whatever that is. So a lot of die cuts. A lot of leap year cards. Some have seen better days, but this is a lot all leap year. These ones are Valentine's, but it's Valentine's leap year because Valentine's and leap year fell on the same day, I think. Something like that, but Valentine's leap year Valentine's. So all leap year. This is a lot of sideshow people, maybe is the best way to say it. Circus performers. Some have some damage. Some repeat. Small lot of French April Fools. So they have something to do with fish. So these are all French April 1st, April Fool's Day cards. Some anthropomorphic fish, but French April Fool's fish cards. Some real photos. Small lot of sports. Got bowling and golf and whatever that pitcher kid is. Bowling, baseball, bowling, canoeing, bowling, skiing, another baseball, that baseball head kid, Big Ten mascots, billiards, and roller skating, and baseball. A lot of black and white Some are real photo humor cards, but black and white humor cards. Again, some are real photos. Some have some staining up there. Real photos of airplanes, and yes, these did get pulled from my aviation buyout, the million postcards. These are some of the cherry-picked cards from that big buyout, but real photo airplanes. Small lot of, I believe, Chinese acrobats. I think there's 11 in this lot. Just found them in a box, thought they'd be interesting, but there's 11 of them. Lot of St. Patrick's Day cards. There's several Ellen Clapsaddle signed cards in here, some repeats. Some have a little bit of condition issues, and again, repeats. And I'm not sure if 100% if this is St. Patrick's Day, but the clovers is what made that fall into this lot. And of course, some Matthew Kirscht choice cards. These are the cards that we'll be picking from. Some Hold Delight. So we'll do, oh, I don't know, 10 or so choice cards, but this is the stack that I will be picking from. Some are embossed and gilded. Said some Hold Delights in here. So, like I said, look at these ones. Nice Valentine's. We'll do, like I said, about 10 runs of this card. And Fred has been very busy sorting states and some countries and topics. So if there are any requests, let me know, and we'll run them as we get them tomorrow. So we'll see tomorrow, noon. We'll go for a couple hours.